Hey, welcome to my two good hands. We're out on the driveway again. Jet ski. We're going to uncover the jet ski, take the seats off. We got to get battery put in. Got to fire this thing up, make sure there's oil in the oil injection system, and fire it up. After we fire it up, then we're going to pull the spark plugs and put some new ones. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my two good hands. Here goes the video. I made this cover. I don't have a video on how to make the cover, but they're pretty easy. I got a boat video, how to make a boat cover. Same situation here. I made it with snaps. I put some edging on it. There you go. Love your jet ski. So first thing you work on is you always have to take the seats off. Make sure you lay them down. Oh, you got this little storage bin. Take that out. You can see that battery's going to go way down in there. I don't know if you can see that in there. There you go. You can see there's the battery tray. The battery goes back there. It's got a rubber strap to hold it in place. Later, we're going to take off those spark plugs right there and put a new pair in. But let's go get our battery for here. Tried something new. Bought one of these sealed batteries. Compared to the ones where you have to mix the acid. It's got the new nuts and everything here. Going to open these up and load them in here before we load the battery in, and we'll get this thing hooked up and mounted. So stay tuned. So there's the battery tray. So we're going to set the battery in that little rubber tray, and we're going to hook up the positive, the red one. And after the red one's hooked up, then we'll slide it back and we can hook up the black one, which is the ground. Then we should be ready to crank it. Before we mount it in, we will give it a crank. So let's see what we can do here. I'm not sure I can set up this camera to show you this. So what we're trying to do is get this battery into this case here. Get that into the little rubber case. Just like that. The first thing we do is pull it out and see if we can get our positive. You see how that barely reaches. So right there is about where it reaches. Let's see if I got a wrench for that. Oh, there it is. So let's see if that fits on there. Sure does. Okay, so that one's tight. We can find our ground strap next. Move this will go back this way. Ground strap. If I get this back in here, put this up a little. There we go. Oh, you can see we've got that in there. We got to work it back into the tray. And it's a little hard to work, but we'll get it. There we go. There we go. All right, now we got to get the strap on that. But before we get the strap on, let's give it a crank. Got these little nifty coated keys. So it runs. So now that we run, we're gonna get the battery strap down. I'm not gonna be able to show you, but basically this strap goes over some hooks. Now this battery's a little shorter than the old one, so Might have to put a block or something on top of the battery. We'll see. We do have a shorter strap, but it's a lot shorter. Let's see what happens. Now, next thing we got to do is we got to get this plate back on that latches the seats. It kind of goes in here. There's some spots that make it latch in. We got to lift up this piece underneath, get the bolts started. This has got all of our electronic ignition and stuff on it. Now you just come around and start these by hand. Piece of cake. Spark plug time. Now you can see I put on here gap 22,000. See the number on there? That's because I pre-gap these things. So if I need them out on the water, I can just put them in. So there's a spark plug. It is pre-gapped at 22,000. We got to come around and get the plug wire off. In the case of this jet ski, it's pretty easy. Should be able to wiggle this, pull it up. There you go. Get this little booty off. We should be able, once the booty's off, we should be able to get at the threads. There you go. Then get at the threads here. Nice to use a wrench, but we got adjustable. Works just fine. We don't want to drop stuff down in here. There you can see how dirty that plug is. Hopefully you can see that. See how dirty and oily. 2-cycle engines. Gotta love them. That's what happens when they're years old. We're going to take our new one, put it out, put it into the hole. Turn it down just a little bit by hand. Just like that. Sleeve on this one we know runs it, so we will keep it as a spare. Now when you tighten these, they got that little gasket. You don't want to over tighten them, okay? You feel it go easy, and all of a sudden it'll snug up. Just about there. Feel it snug up. There's a little crush gasket so you don't have to over tighten it. Again, put the booty back on. Then find your plug wire, put it back on. Same thing for the next one. There we go, we're hooked up. Hook this up again. Make sure that's on good. Lose your seats on the road, it sucks. Okay, so there you go. Like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss another how-to. We'll get the other seat on, we'll cover it back up, and we're ready to take it to the river. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe we'll do some video on the river. Stay tuned.